The Common project represents a significant advancement in the field of decentralized finance by introducing a robust automated market maker, decentralized exchange, integrated with the Aleph Zero blockchain. In this video, we'll delve into the intricacies of the Common project, exploring its unique features, the challenges it addresses, the solution it provides, and its vital role within the Aleph Zero ecosystem. To better understand this project, I'd quickly like to give you some background information. Common is built on A0. Focusing on privacy enhancement and instant finality, Aleph Zero is built for enterprise, Web 3.0 and DeFi use cases. It can operate as a public ledger as well as a private instance connected to the public ledger. Now the code behind Aleph Zero is Aleph BFT, which is a peer-reviewed consensus protocol. And at its core, Aleph Zero employs a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm in which a rotating committee of validators decides on the truthfulness of the state of the blockchain. This makes it similar enough to other blockchains employing proof-of-stake methodologies. It also uses directed acyclic graphs, and the reason for that is that it acts as an intermediary in the creation of the Aleph Zero blockchain. Using it allows for faster transaction speeds and higher throughput, and because of that, lower transaction fees. Now the DEX is an auxiliary structure that collects information on the order of transactions, and the chain itself is constructed from the collected data. DEX solutions do come with a challenge, which is centralization, but Aleph Zero has countered that issue by adopting a mechanism that appoints a rotating committee of random members to decide on the future of the network. And this should guarantee their protocol remaining decentralized. Also, what's good to know is that they have some mechanisms in order to defend the blockchain from malicious actions. So rather than slashing funds, which is common in proof-of-stake consensus mechanisms backed protocols, Aleph Zero's on-chain governance mechanism might employ a freezing tool instead. The investigation will happen afterwards, and after the investigation is concluded, they will enforce fund slashing or release them back to the owner. I've made a dedicated video on Aleph Zero, so be sure to check it out if you want to learn more. Now let's dive into Common. Now that we've got a basic understanding of the underlying blockchain, it is now time to look at Common itself. The main feature of the Common project is its ability to facilitate Aleph Zero native swaps. By leveraging the advanced features of the Aleph Zero blockchain, Common ensures that token exchanges are conducted with enhanced security and efficiency. This native integration not only streamlines the process of swapping tokens within the ecosystem, but also harnesses Aleph Zero's capabilities to maintain high transaction throughput and low latency, critical for the success of any DEX platform. One of the standout features of Common is its bridging infrastructure, and this aspect of the project is designed to foster interoperability between different blockchains, allowing assets to move seamlessly across various networks. By incorporating robust bridging mechanisms, Common expands the liquidity pool available to its users, thereby enhancing the overall liquidity and utility of the Aleph Zero ecosystem. And this bridging capability is crucial for ensuring that users have access to a wide range of assets and can easily transfer value across different blockchain platforms without friction. The liquidity pools are another significant component of the Common project. These pools enable users to contribute their assets, thereby providing the necessary liquidity for token swaps in the DEX. Now in return, users earn rewards, creating a symbiotic relationship where both the platform and its participants benefit. And the presence of robust liquidity pools is essential for the smooth operation of the DEX, as it ensures that there is always sufficient liquidity to facilitate trades, thereby reducing slippage and enhancing the overall trading experience. Then if we look at the farming protocol offered by Common, that adds another layer of value to the ecosystem. Yield farming has become a popular method for incentivizing users to provide liquidity and to participate in DeFi platforms. By integrating a farming protocol, Common allows users to earn additional rewards on top of those gained from liquidity provision. This not only increases user engagement, but also helps in attracting more participants to the platform, thereby boosting the overall liquidity and activity within the ecosystem. And before we move on to the next part of this video, I want to remind you all that I'm not a registered financial advisor. My videos are meant to be educational and entertaining only. Always do your own research and only invest money you're willing to lose, because even though you can gain a lot in crypto, you will most likely lose it all. Also, I was able to work out a deal with our channel's sponsor, Decent. They are a hardware manufacturer which offers two types of hardware wallets. The first one is a biometric hardware wallet, and the second one is their all-in-one card wallet. And the best thing about this hardware wallet is that you don't need a computer to connect it to or to charge it, but you can just use the card and the NFC technology of your phone and then manage your cryptocurrency assets. And I was also able to get you a $30 discount if you follow my link in the description down below. Right, let's continue with the video. So the Common project is designed to address two persistent challenges in the DeFi space: price inefficiency and lack of user privacy. Now, price inefficiency in DEX platforms often arises from suboptimal order matching mechanisms and fragmented liquidity. Common tackles this issue through a sophisticated two-stage order matching process. Initially, orders are internally matched without incurring fees. This is followed by a Dutch auction for any remaining funds, where the auction starts at an unattractive price and gradually decreases to attract market makers. And this mechanism effectively aggregates multiple sources of liquidity, reduces the adverse effects of maximal extractable value, and ensures that users get the best possible prices for their trades. Now, user privacy is another critical area where Common makes significant strides. The open nature of blockchain transactions often exposes users to privacy risks, as anyone can inspect transaction records. Common addresses this concern by integrating advanced cryptographic techniques, including zero-knowledge proofs, so ZK snarks, and multi-party computation, so MPCs. And these technologies ensure that user transactions remain confidential, protecting them from potential market manipulation and privacy breaches. The private order book, integrated with a shielded token pool, provides a high level of anonymity, allowing users to trade without revealing their identities or transaction details. A key innovation in the Common project is the introduction of the decryption oracle. And this component plays a crucial role in maintaining the confidentiality of user transactions. The decryption oracle is designed to decrypt only specific ciphertext under certain conditions, ensuring that the value of orders remain private until they are matched. And this mechanism not only enhances privacy but also acts as a protection against MEV by preventing specialized actors from injecting strategic orders into the batch before it is decrypted and executed. Within the Aleph Zero ecosystem, the necessity of the Common project cannot be overstated. Aleph Zero's blockchain offers features such as the near instant finality and robust security, which are crucial for the efficient operation of a DEX. By integrating with Aleph Zero, Common leverages these features to ensure that transactions are processed quickly and securely, providing a superior trading experience for users. And then if we look at the bridging infrastructure of Common, that enhances interoperability within the Aleph Zero ecosystem, allowing users to transfer assets seamlessly across different blockchains. This not only broadens the range of available liquidity, but also makes the ecosystem more attractive to a wide user base. Now, furthermore, the liquidity pools and farming protocols provided by Common ensure that there are sufficient incentives for users to participate actively in the ecosystem. And these features help maintain healthy liquidity levels, which are essential for the smooth functioning of the DEX and the overall ecosystem. And what's good to know is that you're very early, because Common currently does not have its token release yet. So that means it's airdrop time. And the Common DEX is preparing for an exciting series of airdrops called Common Drops to reward its community, particularly those who have been staking a zero. Now, the Common Drops initiative coincides with the mainnet launch of the Common automated market maker and aims to incentivize participation and reward early supporters. The Common Drops campaign is structured to distribute rewards over multiple phases, ensuring broad participation and sustained engagement from the community. The airdrop consists of 4 different levels. We have the intro drop, we have the seasonal drop, we have the OG drop, and we have the LP drops. And all Common drops and LP drops will eventually be redeemable for CMN tokens after the token generation event. And the exact redemption ratio will be announced after the conclusion of the 4th season of distributions, ensuring transparency and allowing participants to understand the full value of their rewards. Now, the Common Drops campaign underscores Common's commitment to building a community-driven project. By rewarding early and active participants, Common aims to foster a loyal user base and ensure robust liquidity and engagement within the Aleph Zero ecosystem. Be sure to join their socials and to follow the links in the description to get more in-depth details on the airdrops and to stay up to date to the latest news. And that's it for now, and I'll see you guys next time. Doei!